Welcome back to yet another part of Top 50 Excel Shortcut series. If you have not seen the earlier part of this series, then please see it because you are missing something very important. I have provided the link of the same in the description box below. This is the 9th part of the series, so stay tuned. As you know, borders are not added for cells in Excel by default. Sometimes you may want to apply borders to cell to make them outstanding. Here, I will introduce some shortcuts to add or remove all borders, as well as a border command to apply borders in Excel. Hello, I am your tutor and welcome to my channel Learn in 5 minutes. So let's start. Number 41. Add border outline. Add all outside borders with shortcut of Ctrl Shift ampersand. Select the cells you want to add all outside borders and then use this shortcut. Now you will see the outside borders are added for selected cells immediately. Number 42. Add or remove border each side on Windows. This shortcut only works within the Format Cells dialog box on the Borders tab. If you use this shortcut in Format Cells, you will see a border added or removed from the border preview area. For top, use Alt T. For bottom, use Alt B. For left, use Alt L. And for right, use Alt R. On the Mac, the shortcut works directly on the worksheet and adds a border to each cell in the selection. Number 43. Add or remove horizontal or vertical border. Again, these shortcuts also work with the Format Cells dialog box on the Borders tab. To toggle horizontal border, use Alt H, and to toggle vertical border, use Alt V. Unfortunately, these shortcuts are not available in Mac. Number 44. Add or remove diagonal border. Even these shortcuts, like earlier, work within the Format Cells dialog box on the Borders tab. To toggle diagonal border from right to left, use Alt D, and to toggle diagonal border from left to right, use Alt U. Unfortunately, even these shortcuts are not available in Mac. Number 45. Remove borders. Use Ctrl Shift _ in Windows and Command Options _ in Mac to remove all the borders from the selected cells except diagonal borders. However, the shortcut observes conflict in some versions of Mac. I hope this shortcut will change the way you work in Excel. If you found this video useful, please like and share this with your friends. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, do it right now and press the bell icon beside the subscribe button so that you don't miss on any new videos that I upload. See you soon in next video with final part of this series. Thanks for watching.